Welcome to ARC Bikes. We've just received an order to convert a customer's Brompton T-Line to electric with the ARC Bikes intelligent drive system. Let's step inside and take a closer look at the finished product. Our electric system has been designed sympathetically to complement your Brompton, delivering state-of-the-art electric assistance whilst respecting your personal touches. This T-Line, for example, comes equipped with a selection of custom components, such as a carbon fibre seat post, mudguards and even specialist suspension. It's a beautiful bike, clearly much loved by its owner. The ARC Bikes IDS respects these personal choices and fits perfectly with everything the T-Line stands for. Not only is the T-Line the lightest in the Brompton range, but the ARC Bikes IDS is also the lightest electric system in its class. Coming in at just 3.7 kilograms, up to 52 kilometer range, recharge time from as little as 35 minutes, launch control and a mobile companion app, it's easy to see why so many love what the ARC Bikes IDS has to offer. Book your Brompton electric conversion today at arcbikes.com.